All right, let's see what we got here. Seat covers, they just be ripped out. Don't need them. Don't want them. Fuck it. Cool thing about ripping stuff apart, there's no right or wrong way to do it. You rip it all apart, throw it on the floor, kick it, keep going. Does that look wet to you? No, I think that's good. DLC, data link connector. No such thing as OBD2 then. Crap out. This seat's gotta go. There. Done. That. It's ripped up, but it doesn't seem terrible. Battery hold down. Oh, that's. Oh, yeah, we're wet. It is wet down here. Fuck. We're wet in the back. This fucking convertible top. It's not good. You don't want any mold happening. It getting down, rusting. So we gotta play with that. Oh, cool. Seat works. It's a plus. Get a little extra room. The whole back is wet. Gonna have to be ripped apart. The front feels fine. It's kind of a plus. Does this work? Oh, we got mechanical here. All right. This one's a little cleaner. Look at that. M30, baby. This was my first car. My dad bought me it when I turned 16 years old.